Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the Chefman TurboFry Touch and the Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1. We'll be looking at their features, functionality, and overall value for money. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you're looking for a larger air fryer for a big family or entertaining guests, the Chefman TurboFry Touch may be the better option with the 8-quart capacity. However, if you have limited countertop space, the Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 is more compact and portable. It's perfect for small kitchens or making smaller portions. Both air fryers offer similar functionalities with features like one-touch cooking presets and easy-to-use digital displays. However, the Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 has the added advantage of being able to broil, roast, and reheat as well. It's a more versatile appliance that can also replace other kitchen appliances. Both air fryers use advanced technology to achieve crisp, golden results with little to no oil. However, the Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 has even crisp technology that drives airflow top-down for evenly cooked results every time. It's a unique advantage that sets it apart from other air fryers in the market. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry baskets and trays make cleanup easy for both air fryers. However, the Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1's compact design and smaller size make it easier to store and clean compared to the larger Chefman TurboFry Touch. The Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 is more affordable at $59 compared to the Chefman TurboFry Touch's $115 price tag. However, keep in mind that the Chefman TurboFry Touch has a larger capacity and more cooking presets, making it a better value for bigger families or those who need more functionality. That's it for our comparison of the Chefman TurboFry Touch and Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1. Both air fryers have their unique advantages and disadvantages, so it really comes down to your personal needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.